confident defending. Oh, he shoots.
He must score. Oh, it's hit the post.
Oh, defend.
That's a dangerous area to lose the ball. Benzema.
Inches away from goal. It is a clear, still night. Let's hope for a good game.
Launched upfield by the keeper.
That's nicely played. Defender in possession. They have the ball again. Passed inside. Great skill from this player.
And he stayed onside. Shoots off the post.
The defender regains possession. And now they're going to try and break. And he plays the ball back. Passed well.
Oh, that's good work by the defence. Just offside.
Benzema. The assistant's kept his flag down.
His teammates swarm him, and rightly so. Great stuff.
They're kicking off after that goal. Will they change their approach to this match, though? Well cut out. Benzema. Oh, well intercepted.
Good ball.
Oh, well timed. Finds his teammate. Good distribution. He's knocked it long. That one has gone out of play. We're only going to have 1 minute of stoppage time today. That's nicely played. We're into time added on now.
There's the whistle. It's half time.